Hello, welcome to Gigi's Galactic Kitchen. Today we're going to make homemade granola. For our granola we need oatmeal, a bit of dried fruit, some pumpkin seeds, a little bit of salt and cinnamon, melted coconut oil, maple syrup, a little vanilla, and we need some parchment paper. Check in the description for the exact measurements. Okay, let's make granola. First thing we're going to add is 3.5 cups oatmeal, 1 cup dried fruit, 1 cup of any kind of seeds that you'd like. I use pumpkin seeds. I do just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I do a full teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 cup melted coconut oil, right on the button, look at that. 1/2 cup maple syrup. Glug 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 glug. We're a little short, so I might just add about maybe another spoonful of honey if I want any extra sweet. But I'm trying not to get too sweet, so maybe I won't. Last thing is 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Then we just stir that all about. Alright, that looks pretty good. Time to put it on our pan. And there you go, ready to go in your oven, preheated to 350 degrees. Got our granola ready to go in the oven. You want to put it in the oven for 10 minutes. After that, you want to stir it all up. After you stir it, you want to go ahead and watch it about every 2 to 3 minutes. Once your edges are nice and browned up, you're good to go. Go ahead and take it out the oven. If your oven runs hot, you want to watch it even closer because granola can burn very quickly. So let's go ahead and get it in the oven. There we go, nice and browned up, but not burnt. Here's our finished granola. You want to go ahead and make sure it's totally cool before you put it in your container. One of the benefits of making your own granola is that you know exactly what's in it. While there's many things going on in life right now that seem crazy and out of control, one of the things you do have control of is what you put in your body. Granola is a simple and quick snack you can take on the go. It's perfect for travel down the street or across the galaxy. Enjoy your granola, safe travels, and take control of what you eat. See you next time.